Today's lesson is topic 16, lesson 3, understanding angles and unit angles. The first problem is, the hands of the clock make an angle. How would you describe this angle? So I would want you to take a look at this clock and go ahead and write in your notes how you would describe this, just looking at it. Go ahead and include these vocabulary words in your notes as well. Unit angle, 1/336th of a circle to describe the measure of an angle. A degree is 1 out of 360 written as 1 degree. Down below, you will see 3 different examples. In your notes, I want you to also include these examples. So draw your circles, have 90 degrees, and include the picture of what 90 degrees looks like. A 90-degree angle is a perfect right angle. Oftentimes, you will see this little square right there to signify that it is 90 degrees. 180 degrees is a straight line, so half of a circle. If I'm looking for 1/6 of a circle, the unit angle would be 1/6. In order to figure out what the degree is of that, I would take my total degrees of a circle. The total degree of a circle is 360. So if I were to measure all of the degree in a circle, I have 360. So I take my total and I divide that by the number I have as my denominator. So you could separate each part of the circle into 6 parts. So I divide by 6 and I get 60. That means if I separated my entire circle right here into 6, each one would be 60 degrees. In your notes, we're going to do these problems together as well. Number 1, a circle is divided into 9 equal parts. What is the angle measure of one of those parts? So each one of them are equal. So we have to think again, what is the total degree of a circle? 360 degrees. So we take our 360 and we want to divide that by 9. Well, thinking about the skills we know to do division, we'll do 36 divided by 9. When we think about that, we get 4. And then we put our 0 back on our answer. We have to remember to have a label, so it has to be 40 degrees. Okay, number 2. The angle cuts off 1/8 of the circle. So the unit fraction and the unit angle of that one would be 1/8. We now want to figure out the degree of that would be for the whole circle. We take the total amount of degrees we have in our circle. Again, it's always 360 degrees in the whole circle. And we'll divide that by whatever our denominator is, because that's what we would be separating our circle into 8s. So 36 divided by 8. Now, this time, we might have to do a little extra math to solve this one. When we solve, we get the answer of 45 degrees. You always have to put your labels. Put your degree symbol when it is a degree.